Hello, today I'm gonna show you top 5 Google Assistant comments on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Go to my notes. First one, what's the weather today? You can show the weather easy, quick, cool. Then send a message to. You can just say, hi Google, send message to my mom. Then set time for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want. Then navigate to location and remind me to call, let's say, my mom. I would say those are top 5 most useful comments that you can use every day and help you with your daily tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.